Hi, Igoodsgh and welcome back to today's video. We are doing a quick unboxing of the iPhone X, or let me say the iPhone 10 in 2023. This was a very difficult device to actually get because Apple has discontinued it and we no longer sell it. First, look out for the pull tab. You pull that out and then you now have access inside the box. Now Apple has discontinued this phone years ago, so it took us a very long time to get it. Now inside you're greeted with the pamphlets, which contains some warranty stickers, the SIM ejector tool, and your Apple stickers. And then we now have the phone, which is covered in the rubber. We pull that out. Let's see what else we have inside the box. We have the earpiece. There's the lightning earpiece, and then we have the 5 watts charger brick, and then we have the cable. So this cable is a USB to lightning cable. Note that these devices are very difficult to get. Apple doesn't make them anymore. Let's turn on the phone. Let's take you through some few things to look out for. This is going to be a short review. We'll be diving into a full review soon. There's the 256GB silver color. You can see there's no glue. Now note that the inside is supposed to be made out of a cardboard feel. We no longer sell this at our shops, or I don't know where you're gonna get this, but this is just a quick unboxing just to take you through. The iPhone X is still a beautiful phone and still very good. We want to say a big thanks for watching this video. We have more reviews coming up, so guys, stay tuned and catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.